Today, let's talk about how to live stream on Facebook with software called OBS. OBS means Open Broadcast Software, which is completely free. You can download it from internet. You may be wondering why I use OBS instead of Facebook website. The reason is OBS offers more features than live stream on Facebook website, such as audio mixing, branding, and production level editing. So let me show you how to do this. First, go to Facebook, then click live video. And copy stream key. Second, go to OBS, then go to source, add video or logo that you want. After you add video and logo, you can relocate and change the position of the video or logo. Go to File, Setting, Stream, check for Facebook Live, then pass stream key, and then click OK. After click OK, you will see with this video. Then click on Start Streaming. After click that, you will see green color come up on the bottom. Go to Facebook, then submit the title of the video. Then click Go Live. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to click subscribe